Alright guys, Aaron here with Straight Line Cycles, and we're back at it with the Avenger. We're gonna try to get everything that we want out, and we're gonna hop in Eleanor and take it out to my brother's so we can get some room on things to come. Well guys, I do believe that will be all for this one. It was quite the undertaking taking all this off, but hopefully it's worth it. We'll get to the core support and be able to fix everything. Fingers crossed. I've never done anything like this before, so it's going to be a learning curve, but I have a treat in store for you soon on the interior. Hopefully, anyways, if I get everything in the mail. We'll see. Alright guys, we got everything in the bed of the truck. We're gonna take all that stuff to my brother's and drop it off. Now we have a lot taken off of the car. We can go ahead and probably start working on the interior and getting it finished off, and then I'm probably going to have the car towed to my brother's so that we can start taking the motor out and cleaning all of this. The fenders, I'm going to try to get new fenders if I can, but if not, we'll try to fix them. I'll see you guys later.